Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to cancel a money transfer on Western Union so you can get your funds back fast, whether the transaction was accidental or the recipient hasn't received the money yet. First off, if you sent the money in person at an agent location, ask the agent right away to cancel it. If the money hasn't been picked up yet, they may be able to reverse the transaction immediately. Next, if you sent it online or through the app, open the app or go to the Western Union website and check your transfer status. If it says in progress or pending, there's still time. Here's a pro tip. Contact Western Union customer service as soon as possible. You can call them or chat live and request a cancellation. You'll need the tracking number MTCN and sender details ready. Don't forget, if the money has already been collected, you'll need to reach out to the recipient directly. Western Union can't reverse completed transactions once the cash is claimed. So should you panic? Not yet. Just act fast, follow these steps, and increase your chances of getting your money back. Let me know in the comments if you've canceled a Western Union transfer before, and if you got your money back. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.